Okay, part of chapter 8 is performing a synchronized replace edit. So the next sequence we want to open is 06 replace edit. This is the very same sequence we just used in 05, and you can see shot 4 and shot 4 are back in their usual spots. However, this time we are going to make some adjustments with more precision. So the last time we did that replacement, we just trimmed the clip down to fit into the spot that we had existing for shot 4. And it just took the beginning of it. However, we can specify what part of the clip to take, and that's what we're going to do with this version. So one of the first things you need to do is find shot 5. So if you come over to the source folder, scroll down, you'll find shot 5, double click, it comes up in your window here. It has a marker in it, and basically the book is looking for the dog looking straight at us before his head turn. So if we go a little bit further, you can see his head turns away. If you're not exactly on this marker, this is another use for markers. You can click on it and it will put the playhead directly on the spot that you want it. So go ahead and set it up to have the playhead right on your marker as such. You want to come back down to your timeline, and then the book wanted us to place this at 6 seconds. It also wants to make sure that this clip is highlighted. So make sure your first shot 4 clip is highlighted, your playhead is set to 6 seconds, and then come up here at the top and choose clip. And then it wants us to choose replace clip with from source monitor match frame. So when we do this, you'll notice our clip will change, and we now have replaced shot 4 with shot 5. And as you can see, when we play through this, it still maintained all of that animation that was on there. So this is another really good technique. It can be a big time saver when you need precise timing of actions and you need stuff to be matched up as well. So nice little other way to handle it. It just depends on what shots you have to put in and how you want to do it.